Hello! So, welcome to my math video. Today I'll be talking about math. So, here I am, one day. I go to the store, buy 3 fish, because, you have to eat fish. Don't question the spot. So, yeah, after I buy 3 fish, get bored, and then I buy 5 fish. Yeah, fuck it. I'll just copy and paste these. So, 3 isn't really good, 5 isn't really good. So, I get bored of that. And the next day, I buy 6 fish. Whoa! So, you might be wondering, why did it get smaller? Who knows? So, yeah, 3 fish, not really enough. 5 fish, yeah, I don't know. I don't like the rate this is going at. So, the next day, I go, and then I buy 9 fish. So, yeah, now that I have 9 fish on the 4th day, it's still not really good enough. So, the day after, I go and buy 27 fish. And then, yeah, so 27 fish after 9 fish, where did still not really good enough. So then the next day, I go and buy 7,620,000,000 fishes, 7.6212 times fish. So, obviously, at this point, what actually is the pattern between how many fishes I'm buying each day? So, on the first day, it goes from 3, and then 5, then 6, then 9, then it goes to 27, then 7.6 to E12. So, those are some pretty standard jumps at the start. So, yeah, let's start with 5. What could we narrow 5 down to? 5 can equal 3 plus 2. 6, that would be 3 times 2. 9, that could be 3 to the power 2. 27, that could be 3 to the power 3. Or, it could be 3, 2. And then this is just 3, 2, or 3 to the power 27. So then, that leaves, what is this? So this could be 3, and then I'll just go with hyperoperations and name them 0. And then this could be 1, and then 2, and then so on. So, what does that mean in terms of driving? So if I have, or what does 3, 0 mean? So when you have something 0, that's just the subsequent number. So if you have A, 0, B, it would just be 1 plus B. If you have A, 1, B, that would equal A plus B, and then A 2B would be A times B. So then, what if you have 3 and 2? How could you derive that? So, yeah, on the left side we have the numbers. So then let's look at what the gap actually is. So here it's plus 2. Okay. Then it's plus 1, which means it goes down. That's plus 3. That's plus 18. This is who knows? So, in other words, you could say that in here, you can see that this is actually 27 equals 9 times 3. Or, it could also equal 3 times 9. So, the gap from 6 to 9, it could be 3 plus 6. 5, it could be yeah, anyways, so this is 3 to the power 27. So then, in order to get to 305. So then, overall, the change per gap is 3n minus 2, 2. Yeah, so you could also simplify it to 3n 2 equals 3 n minus. I lost my proof for this, so I have to yeah. 3n minus 2 yeah, so this is 3 minus 2 and then 3 minus 1, 2. This is hey. I'll edit this later, maybe. So this can be 3 plus 3, 0, 2. That looks about right. Or it might be 3, 0, 3, 1, 2. Yeah, okay, that's better. So that's 3, 0, 3, 1, 2. Or it could be 3, 0, and then 3 plus 2 would be 5, which means 1 plus 5, that equals 6. So then, in the case of 3 to the power 2, it would be 3, and then 1, and then bracket 3, 2, 2. Or 3 plus 3 times 2, which equals 9. So then, overall, dn over d over dn equals 3 n minus 2 n minus 1 2, because that totally follows the real definition of plus h is fb over h. Yeah, so this totally follows that. Oh, wait, no, that's, yeah. That's the derivative. Anyways, to the next part, because I have 2 questions rather than 1. So here you have a car, and then it wants to go, let's just say 1,000 meters in 10 seconds. And the car is stationary. So, according to the MVT, mean value theorem, at some point within this line, it will be at 100 meters per second, as that would be, as I'm hoping, the speed of the car is continuous. Yeah. So, in order to reach that 100 meters a second in 10 seconds, at some point within 10 seconds, it would have to reach 10 meters per second squared at some point. But in order to reach 10 meters per second squared at some point within the 10 seconds, it would also have to reach 1 meter per second cubed within those same 10 seconds. But then in order to reach this, it would also have to reach 1 meter per second tesseracted. Or point 1. So then, the question is, where does it go? Because obviously it can go to 0. Dot approaches infinity minus, what is that? 1, 2, 3, okay, minus 3, 1. M S infinity, right? So, if it does manage to do that, then couldn't you just drive it again so that it reaches that acceleration of whatever jerks per second, but it's just really small? Then, if you were to drive 0.000 whatever 001 meters per second infinity, if you were to derive it, that would mean that it's infinity times 0.000 whatever 1. Meters per second infinity minus 1. So then eventually, when you go back, it'll be infinity infinity 0 minus 1 x dx, something like that. Maybe I think it's something like that. Who knows? It'll look like that. Times or no, it'd be that ms if you decide to stop there. So then, wouldn't that mean that everything's moving at an infinite speed? Yeah. Anyways, so that's what I think I have learned in this class. Other than that, I think that if you put y equals y-o-e-k-t, nah. Yeah, so that's pretty much my math video, I think. Thank you.